Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more Bollywood updates. Some Bollywood stars only earn and spend for their personal life, but there are also some with a big heart who loves to share their money and time with their fans. In today's video, you will know how much Akshay is a loving and caring person and loves to give importance to the feelings of poor and needy people. So let's start the video. Akshay Kumar pledges to donate 1 crore each to Assam and Bihar governments amid ongoing floods. Akshay Kumar is currently in UK for the shoot of his upcoming film Bell Bottom. Akshay Kumar has a philanthropic side to him which came to the forefront as the coronavirus pandemic hit the country in March. Back in March, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi had asked people for help in whatever way they could donate, Akshay Kumar was one of the first to come forward and pledge his support. The actor went on to donate a whopping 25 crore to PM CARES Fund and also made hefty donations to CM's Relief Fund. And now, despite being in the United Kingdom for his upcoming film Bell Bottom shoot, Akshay has once again decided to come to the rescue of the people who are battling the ongoing floods in Assam and Bihar. The good news, actor is said to be donating 1 crore each of the government of Bihar and Assam. Bollywood Life quoted a report saying on Thursday, Akshay Kumar spoke to CMs of Bihar and Assam and pledged a sum of rupees 1 crore each at a time when these areas are affected by the natural calamity. Both the chief ministers have expressed gratitude and appreciated his gesture that amid so much negativity all around, he could think of the betterment of these states. Before this, previously in 2019, when Cyclone Fani had hit Orissa, he had donated 1 crore to the relief fund to help them recover. Later in the same year, Akshay had donated funds to naturalize 20 families from Bihar who struggled during their floods in October last year. He had also donated a heavy amount during the Kerala floods in 2018. Before that, during COVID-19, New Delhi, in what can be called one of the biggest gestures by a B-town celebrity, Bollywood superstar Akshay Kumar on Saturday pledged to donate 25 crore in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic. The development comes in the wake of netizens accusing Bollywood stars of not contributing to help those struggling with COVID-19 crisis. Sharing the news on Twitter, the actor said that he will contribute the donation amount to PM Narendra Modi's relief fund from his savings. Author and columnist Twinkle Khanna lauded her husband's gesture and said that she was very proud of him. She also wrote that he did not think twice about making this donation. On Saturday, PM Modi had announced PM CARES Fund. He urged people from all walks of life to express their desire to donate to India's war against COVID-19. Respecting that spirit, the Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund was constituted, which is expected to go a long way in creating a healthier India. Sharing a link about the fund, he said the Prime CARES Fund accepts micro donations as well. PM Modi assured that this fund will cater to similar distressing situations if they occur in the times ahead. It will support disaster management capacities and encourage research on protecting citizens. The 52-year-old Kesari star has been repeatedly urging citizens to cooperate with the government during the 21-day nationwide lockdown. What do you want to know more about Bollywood industry? Write in comment section and let us know. Keep in touch and subscribe our channel. Thank you.